Welcome to module number 7, and we are going to really examine those epidemiological concepts and principles, and we're going to reflect on the impact of epi on general areas of practice and identify some concepts that impact your practice as well. So as we dive into module number 7, we're going to compose your final synthesis assignment, and I'll change this date. Sorry, it's got the wrong date, but there will be no discussion board for this particular module. So you are really going to bring everything together and synthesize the information for this module in this assignment. So you're going to take everything that you've learned so far and apply it. In addition, we're going to examine the concept of epidemiology and the concept of global health, as well as examining multiple chronic conditions. And here is the overview of your Putting It All Together assignment that is due October the 4th. So I have also included a synthesis paper example, and please keep in mind that this particular student chose to exceed the number of pages and really dove into the paper assignment. Please know and follow that rubric and know that this paper actually exceeded some expectations as far as length. So focus on that clear and concise writing as you move forward as well. So if you have any questions or concerns after viewing the screencast-o-matic on the assignment itself, please do let me know.